मंत्री जी सवाल से पहले इतना डर गए, आगे क्या होगा मुझे पता नहीं।
इन्होंने इंटरप्रिटेशन किया, डर गए। मैं किसी की कृपा से यहाँ नहीं आया हूँ भाई साहब। मैं 7 बार चुनाव जीत कर आया हूँ। एक आइडियोलॉजी का विरोध कर कर यहाँ नहीं घुस गया हूँ मैं। डरने का क्वेश्चन डज नॉट अराइज।
So the Home Ministry is like a zamindar today, which treats states like its personal fiefdom, and anybody who opposes the government is treated as an enemy of the nation. Sir, certain small states sometimes are not able to stand up to this. But I'll promise you, sir, powerful states like West Bengal will always fight against this zamindari mentality. Central agencies, sir. These central agencies, sure, under previous governments, the Supreme Court has said that, they're a caged parrot, etc., etc. But the BJP claims to be a party with a difference. So we thought things would change. Nothing has changed in the last 11 years. For the benefit of the honorable member, sir, I'm going to now read out the glorious record of the CBI, sir. So over 6,900...
One second. Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर, मुझे लगता है आपने गृह विभाग की चर्चा के लिए इनिशिएट करने के लिए किया है। शायद उनको मालूम नहीं है माननीय सदस्य जी को कि सीबीआई और बाकी सारी एजेंसियों के नाम जो वो बोलना चाहते होंगे, एक भी गृह विभाग में नहीं। ये क्या मीमांसा कर रहे हैं? उनको सिर्फ गृह विभाग की बारे में चर्चा करना चाहिए। मेरा एक टेक्निकल ऑब्जेक्शन, अगर आप एरिया वाइड करना चाहते हो तो फिर मुझे भी करने दीजिएगा। जवाब देने में हर चीज का जवाब दिया जाए।
ऑनरेबल मेंबर।
सर, मंत्री जी सवाल से पहले इतना डर गए, आगे क्या होगा मुझे पता नहीं।
नो
आई डिड नॉट इवन रेफर टू द सीबीआई। एनीवे सर, उनको बढ़ाना है तो स्कोप बढ़ा दीजिए। He is free to do that.
Saket.
So over 6,900 cases of corruption have been registered by the CBI, sir. So over 6,900 cases of corruption, a pending trial, cases registered by the CBI. So over 361 corruption cases have been pending since more than 20 years. I'm not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. I am not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. He needs to learn to listen. I'm not going to yield. I refuse to yield, sir.
1 second.
Under the rules, I am allowed to refuse to yield. I'm not going to refuse. I'm not going to yield to him, sir.
1 second.
He can wait for...
Mr. Gokhale, listen to the chair, please. When there is a jurisdictional issue, Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर,
Honorable Home Minister.
इन्होंने इंटरप्रिटेशन किया, डर गए। मैं किसी की कृपा से यहाँ नहीं आया हूँ भाई साहब। मैं 7 बार चुनाव जीत कर आया हूँ। एक आइडियोलॉजी का विरोध कर कर यहाँ नहीं घुस गया हूँ मैं। डरने का क्वेश्चन डज नॉट अराइज। मान्यवर, ये जो जिक्र कर रहे हैं, इस सदन को गलत तरीके की इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही है। इसलिए मैं स्पष्टता करने के लिए, नंबर ऑफ केस जो वो सीबीआई के कह रहे हैं, वो माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के और माननीय हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से चुनावी हिंसा के लिए रजिस्टर किए गए केस है। जो चुनावी हिंसा बंगाल में हुई है, ये सारे करप्शन के केस नहीं है मान्यवर। चीर कर रखे। और चुनावी हिंसा किस प्रकार की? चुनाव में हमारी सीटें ज्यादा आ गई, चुन कर जहां हमारा बहुमत था वो बूथों में हत्या की गई, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार किए गए। जब पीड़ित लोग, कोई एक्शन नहीं, कोई अरेस्ट नहीं, पीड़ित लोग जब पहुंचे हाई कोर्ट में, हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से सीबीआई को जांच दिया गया है मान्यवर। हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से दिया गया है। ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे, हाई कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे। जमींदारी कौन कर रहा है वो अब पूरा देश देखेगा। अब हाईकोर्ट को भी नहीं मानते हो। ये सारे सीबीआई के जो केस है मान्यवर, हाईकोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से रजिस्टर्ड किए गए हैं और ये कह रहे हैं इनमें परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है। मैं इसलिए परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है, एक भी सीबीआई स्पेशल कोर्ट आज बंगाल में नहीं है, एक भी नहीं बनाई है।
Honorable member, and I'll appeal to the members.
All these things can happen in the reply,
Keep this in
sir.
mind and continue.
All this
Mr.
can happen in the
Saket,
reply.
please.
ठीक है sir, I'm going to skip CBI and ED. I just want to make one thing clear,
No,
sir.
you made a wrong observation about Darge.
I'm skipping it.
Not
Sir,
good. Continue.
sir, मेहनत से हम भी आए हैं, वो भी साबरमती जेल में रहे, हम भी साबरमती जेल में रहे। On इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो तो आता है सर, होम मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर सर, this is not fair at all. This is not fair at all.
You need to withdraw.
This is
as the
absolutely
leader of
not
the
fair,
House
sir.
says,
No, this is
and
my
I
time.
think-
So then I want a full 12 minutes once all over again.
No.
They can say their part.
One second.
According to the parliamentary practices, he should apologize or it should be expunged.
You know what?
Apologize for
Sir,
what?
no way.
For what?
For what?
For making a submission.
For what?
Just say something.
Ridiculous.
We will not apologize.
I'm never apologizing to you.
माफी मांगे सर, चर्चा करना हमारा हक है सर।
Honorable members,
सर क्या आप हमें चर्चा नहीं करने देंगे सर? सर ये लोग कितना अनाप शनाप बोलते हैं, हमने कभी बोला है क्या?
would you take your seat now? Take your seat.
ये बीजेपी वाले कितना
Take
कुछ
your
बोलते हैं
seat.
डिबेट के टाइम
Take
पे,
your
तब किसी को नहीं रोका जाता।
Take it. Honorable members, one second. Honorable members, please, take your seat. Take your seat. What's wrong with you? Your leader of the House has spoken. Honorable members, for last few days, we have had good, healthy discussion. There may be different points of view, and I would strongly urge the honorable member that using that expression which is subjective, judgmental, your dignity will not go down, you need to withdraw. I would delete it. No. One second. If any member of the House says that the other member डर गया है, is something which can neither be overlooked nor countenanced. Each member of the House, in his own right, has his dignity. I will look into everything, but it will increase your stature. It will make healthy debate. You need to withdraw that observation. The observation has been imparted with respect to India's Home Minister. This doesn't give good signal. No. No one interrupted. I allowed. So I would urge you. Otherwise, there are ways in which we deal with situations, deletion of it or otherwise. And I think he is saying a good suggestion. You need to withdraw that. Personal observations of any nature need to be avoided. I am totally opposed, and I am so happy the debate has been very nice in recent days. We have a Home Minister who has been here right from the beginning, and if there have been interventions, the intervention was jurisdictional. That one second. I think members will speak only after I conclude. So I would urge Saket Gokhale, since the objection is legitimate by leader of the House, it does not find approval of the chair. I do not want a promising member to derail himself, and therefore the personal observation withdraw. Saket. One second. So I stand by what I said,
Sir.
But I would appreciate you'll withdraw.
I greatly respect you, sir. I'm Mamta Banerjee's soldier. बीजेपी वाले withdraw करेंगे, हम नहीं करेंगे. Let me now come
The observation
to the NIA
is
and that's your call, sir.
One
That's
second.
your call. I won't withdraw.
The observation is deleted.
Fair, sir. That's your call. I'm not
And
withdrawing.
it is deleted because I find it not only unparliamentary, not only I find it unjustified, I find it is not well motivated. Please go ahead.
Sir, very simply speaking, sir, the Union Home Ministry is meant to be Union Ministry of Home Affairs. It doesn't mean a ministry आप घर से चलाओ. Home doesn't mean घर. There is a term in Hindi, sir, called Tanashahi. Tana, dictatorial, acerbic, Shah, emperor. What I would like to say, sir, is that this sort of Tanashahi, just because your name is Shah, doesn't mean you are able to do that on the rest of the country and target states the way you are doing. And in my parting conclusion, I don't need any extra time, sir. I just have one parting note to say. My conclusion, sir, if I'll be allowed to. My conclusion, sir, is...
One second. Saket, one second. Saket, one second. I'll give one second. Your observation is against a caste, against a subcaste, should not have been made. Leader of the House.
Sir, again I say that the words used is unparliamentary. It names to a caste also.
Yes.
And it is something which is derogatory also, and it should be withdrawn. Better he withdraws, otherwise it should be deleted.
You see, one second, please. I'm sure the entire House will not approve it. Using a caste, whether it is Shah or let's say Maratha or Jat or Rajput, anyone, you should not have. You said so. And you said so by buttressing it. You wanted attraction of it, Saket. I know you are a journalist, but venomous traction that divides the society is something we must avoid. And you therefore, please rise and withdraw it. Well, the member does not withdraw, I delete it and it will emanate consequences.
Sir,
for both the observations, the matter will be under my consideration.
I have 3
Because
sentences.
we cannot allow the House to be free fall of information.
I have 3 sentences.
Because no one can take action outside.
I have 3
If
sentences.
you say anything, 1.4 billion people cannot go to court because you are making a statement here. And therefore this House is the repository of sanctity of a statement made. Both observations were personal nature. You targeted an individual who is holding a good constitutional position, should have been avoided. Otherwise, a very good address, but you have polluted it. I reserve my ruling on that. This is not acceptable. Parliament Affairs Minister.
This is the honourable member, Mr. Gokhale, is the initiator of this very important discussion.
Very important.
We expect the person, the honourable member who initiates the discussion, to be very broad-minded as well as he should set the tone. But the way he has started the discussion, the words he has used from the very beginning, he started in a very negative note. We all are here to listen to the suggestion also, as well as we can accept the criticism. During his 12-minute address, he has not given even a single suggestion. We would welcome the suggestion of honourable members. We are discussing on the working of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Not a single suggestion on how to improve the working. He has been attacking left and right from the beginning. I don't understand. क्या इस तरह का भाषा इस्तेमाल करके वो अपना आप को क्या स्थापित करना चाहता है, बताइए। कोई तरीका है? आज तक मैंने ऐसा इनिशिएट करने वाला मेंबर देखा ही नहीं है। तो स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन करो राज्यसभा का। राज्यसभा में हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि कम से कम जो मेंबर बोलते हैं एक स्टैंडर्ड डेकोरम मेंटेन करेगा, और इन्होंने जो बोला है 12 मिनट में, ये कोई सभ्य समाज में एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकता है। और राज्यसभा का गरिमा को गिराया है, क्या इस्तेमाल करता है, वो कोई तरीका है? इतना गिरा हुआ भाषण दिया है।
Two sentences. This is my conclusion, sir. You mentioned caste. Home Minister insulted Baba Saheb Ambedkar in the house.
Again.
You're talking about caste?
Nothing, Oman.
Talking about caste?
He did not.
Anyway,
He did not.
I want to conclude,
He
sir,
did not.
by saying only one thing. I want to conclude by saying only one thing, sir. West Bengal elections are coming next year in 2021. The Union Home Ministry, if it does not drop this attitude, the BJP will become Tadipar from the state of West Bengal. Thank you, sir.
Honorable members, before I call the next speaker, I wish to again reiterate. Yes, Leader of the House.
I have a strong objection. I have a strong objection as the President of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Tadipar is a legal language which is used. In a democratic nation, he has got no right to use such words against my party, and that should be also withdrawn.